Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So the website name is exposure.co. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 82 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 80 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to C ranking, this website drawing 310 monthly traffic, but this is not a exact data. So you can see referring domain is 29.1k, backlink is 3.3 million, and still this website drawing 310 traffic. So I'm not relying with this data, and this website drawing traffic from USA, Greece, UK, India, UAE and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then you guys will create your backlink on this site. So before they started, if you guys are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So this is the website dashboard. So simply you can click on the sign up button and there you guys will create your profile. So let me select a brand or business, and there you can add your business name, and this is your profile. So there you can add your profile name. This is our URL jobma.exposure.co, and there you can add your email address and you guys will choose your password. And you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that you can verify a captcha and you can click on the create account button. So password should be between 8 to 13 characters. Okay, let me check if is this work. Password should be between 8 to 32 characters. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, so guys, we have created our profile on this site. So simply you can click on the start storytelling, and you will see this is your profile. So you can click on the start story button, and you can click on the edit story button. So you will see there you can add your brand name, so Jobma, and there you can add your subtitle, yeah, short title. So suppose that virtual interviewing platform, best virtual interviewing platform, and in the photo section what I can add, and again I can upload cover picture. Cover picture is important because when you guys are start publishing this site, so this should be going to ask you to, you guys will upload your cover picture, then you are able to live your web 2.0 backlink. Okay, so you guys will take care of these things, and now you can start optimizing your web 2.0. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So simply we can add our first code. So let me check. Yeah, so there we can add interview better and the faster with AI. So this is our slogan. What is this? So this is our main key. faster and better with AI. So this is our slogan. And then now what we can add, so suppose, so let me generate a web 2.0 content as well, so with the help of AI. So suppose that what I can write in the prompt, so my company name is Jobma, and founded founded year is 2000 and 2012. Founded year is 2012. Founded year is 2012. So the next prompt is there I can add my services. So my services should be, so services is this, so where I can include it in my services. Yeah, so this is a services. So we are providing a one-way video interviewing, live video interviewing, and the written coding assessment. So these are our services. So let me add, and our services is this. So you have to generate company description with some headings. So this is a prompt. So let me see what I receive. So services is this, live video interviewing. So yeah, this is the perfect. So we can create web 2.0 backlink via Jobma. Yeah, so this is a good. So about this section I can include a text. So text should be, so Jobma is, so let me select, and this should be the same. Okay, so there I can add our services. So this is our services, and there we can add our content. So content is one-way video interviewing, and this is the heading, large. Okay, and these are the contents. One-way video interviewing. So this is our target keyword. So I can make it hyperlink. So for this page I can target by this page. For this keyword, targeted page is this. So you guys will select your keyword, and you can see there is a hyperlink, add a link button. You can click on this and you can paste your URL, and if you're wanting, so you can make it bold, so this is visible to anyone easily. And the next is live video interviewing. I can make it large something, so this should be look like a heading. And the live video interviewing, for this my targeted page is this. And the next section is written and multi-choice audio assessment, and I can make it large. And the next is this, multiple choice including, so for this and the next is coding assessment with a technical hiring. So let me make it large, and the content is this. Oh my god, I guess I made some mistake. Yeah, coding assessment. So my targeted keyword is this coding assessment, and for this keyword I can insert my targeted page URL. So this is, and you can see I have added over there, and I can make it bold so it's visible. And the last content is this via Jobma, and I can make it large, and I can add description. So description is added, video interviewing, and the assessment tool. For this I can add my index page keyword. So I perfectly added a content. So this is a fresh content, and sorry, I can make it bold. Yeah, so this is a fresh content, and if you're wanting, so you can optimize your footer as well. So you can see start publishing for free. This is 24. If you're wanting, so you can add your contact details and all the things with the help of these customization option. And there is also option to you guys will include your brand name or your business name, your images. Suppose that this is my index page picture, and if I can wanting to add this in my content, so let me add where I can add. So suppose that full width, and the picture is screenshot this one. So let me insert it. Yeah, here you can see group title. So and let me add one keyword as well, trusted and loved by companies globally. So yeah, and again I can add some content, transformer hiring experience. So this one I can use. I guess this is a best for this section, and here it is. Yeah, so I guess we successfully optimized these things, all these things. And if you're wanting, so you can make photo full width, and yeah, this is another section. So we successfully added all the things. So if you're wanting to optimize more details or something, so you can optimize according to your requirement. And another thing, so this is a process for the web 2.0 backlink creation. So now the time is to, you can click on the publish. Once you guys will complete all the things, so you can click on the publish story button, and you will see you can select first option. So story will be publishing publicly accessible on your site and the crawled by search engine. So yeah, we wanting the same thing. So you can click on the submit a story now. So you will see this is your profile landing page URL. I can copy this URL and I can paste it in incognito, so I can show you this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is instant approved backlink, and this is a heading, this is a image what we have inserted, and this is a backlink. So I will show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink with contextual with your targeted keyword, and there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, So I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request from my side, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.